बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। फ्रेंड्स, लियाकत अली खान का लेक्चर नंबर 3 है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है, तो BA पार्ट 2 का। चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 स्टार्ट करते हैं, लेकिन स्टार्ट करने से पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और लेक्चर ध्यान से देखें। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है, व्हाट वाज द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ पाकिस्तान एज अ न्यू स्टेट। पाकिस्तान बनने के बाद तकलीफ़ें क्या थी जो पाकिस्तान को मिसाल का सामना था। तो आंसर है 1947 पाकिस्तान वाज carved out on the map of world. The Muslims, being backward and victimized in the United India, were not expected to build up a new state of 80 million people. The infrastructure of the government was yet not made. It had to start it from scratch. They had no capital and no flag. The administrative machinery had to be built up from zero. Pakistan given an army, but its personnel were dispersed far and wide. They had no military equipment. Their share of the military equipment of the British India, which was allotted to them on paper, remained largely undelivered even after too many years. The industrial and economical base of the nation was practically nothing. There was no industry trade or skilled worker in the country. The biggest problem that Pakistan had to face was to accommodate 7 million homeless refugees who had been driven out of India. They came over to Pakistan in a miserable condition to seek shelter. However, they settled on Pakistan as a nation under the great leadership of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Liaquat Ali Khan also told the Americans that the nation had to suffer many troubles for Pakistan. Now, the people of Pakistan are very active for the prosperous future of Pakistan. तो फ्रेंड्स, ये था आज का लेक्चर नंबर 3 लियाकत अली खान क्वेश्चन नंबर 4। तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, पढ़ते रहिए। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।